welcome back to another video. I am Suzie QTingz, and I'm going to give you a little bit of things them today. So a quick announcement. Thanks again, you guys, for my 1,000 subscribers and more. So what I will be doing in showing my appreciation to you guys, I'm going to be giving shout outs to my subscribers who have stick through me and continue to stick through me. Hopefully you guys keep on subscribing, right? So I'm going to be doing 2 shout outs. So starting right now, I'm going to be giving 2 of my subscribers shout out. The first shout out I'm going to give it to is Mr. Savage. I don't know why they call him Mr. Savage, but they call him Mr. Savage. And my second shout out is going to be Diamond Tomasto. If I am saying your last name correctly, I'm sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly. Okay, so those are my 2 subscribers I'm giving a shout out today, this week. So each time I do a video, I'm going to give a shout out. If you guys want a shout out from moi, don't forget you have to subscribe to my channel. You got to watch 2 of my videos, and if you don't want to watch and subscribe, that's still okay. Yes, and then leave a comment down below. So let's get into this video. I know, one more thing, you guys. I know I'm supposed to be uploading like every Sunday, but I don't know, Sunday that passed, I've been just having technical difficulties. So just bear with me. So this is why I'm going to be giving you this. Okay, so let's get into the video. As you can see, I'm into a African theme here. So I did some shopping online. I came up with this how you pronounce it? YATASPEACE. Forgive me. YATASPEACE. So they're African line, and I found some beautiful pieces that I thought, you know what? It's the end of summer, and why not do a swimwear haul at the end of the summer? No, cut that. I have to cut out that part there. So yes, guys, so I ordered some stuff from YATASPEACE. So they're like an African, online clothing store, and I went through it and I found a couple of pieces that I have liked. So this is why I'm in a little African theme. This is not from there. This was from my my boys' school, and they had something there, and I wanted a piece of the material. So I had it in my closet for the longest time, and I said, you know what, why not take it and turn it into something? And this is what I turned it into. Kind of cute. Hey girl, yes girl. But anyway, so YATASPEACE, when I got the delivery from them, some of the pieces were missing. I sent them an email, and their customer service was very good. Like, I was kind of impressed. They got back to me. They sent me the rest of the pieces, and this is how I can be able to show you some of their pieces. I'm going to leave the description down below, and you guys can check them out. Okay, so the first pieces, because it's the end of summer, so you know what? End of summer swimwear I'm doing. So I didn't get to go nowhere. My God. So this is the first piece that I'm doing. So it's a bathing suit. It's a half top, and then it comes with the straps. If you're not too comfortable with the one half, and you think something is going to be falling out. But I think this is kind of cute. I love the colors. The colors are vibrant, very nice. I don't know, comment down below. Does people wear swimsuit with pants and stuff like that, or it's just bodysuit that you can do that too? Because this I would definitely rock with some jeans and some heels. You understand? Take it to the next level. But yeah, this is very cute, and The back is like that. The materials feels pretty good. Like, you know, it's the quality of it is very nice, and it's nice and thick. It has the padding, and then it comes with, you know, this thing here in the middle. The next one that I have here, this one is like a warrior, you know, bathing suit. It has the cutout here at the side. I love the detailing on it. It's really nice, you know. The colors are nice also. So yeah, I can't wait to try these on. The other one is a dress. I love the color of the dress. You know, the style of it. It's just a simple little yellow dress. It has like a high neck at the top. It's sleeveless right here. The colors are vibrant also. And yeah, I can't wait to try. And the last one is this one. And I think this one is going to be my fave. Like, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe, share, and like. And comment down below which one of these you would like. But yeah. So this one has like the gold waisted here, and the gold at the side, and turquoise. Like the colors, oh god, I love the colors. And I think I will be shopping more from them too. And the earrings I got also from there, like, you know, with the African thing on it, which is different, you know. Yeah. So let's go try on. Yes. Oh, okay. So, okay, guys, this swimwear is called Sexy Totem, right? The detail on it is really nice. Like, I kind of like it. I kind of like the cutout down here. Like, you know, it has this warrior thing about it, which I do like. It's comfortable, and definitely I will rock some jeans with this. I will rock some jeans with this. The earrings are also from there too, and they're handmade. These are handmade earrings also from there. These I'll put in the description down below. But I ain't gonna lie, this outfit is something. Okay, this one is a vintage print. I love the one shoulder. It does have straps here. I couldn't find the straps, so you know, I love the detailing here. It's high-waisted, which is really good. It sits on you like, you know, really, really, really nice. So I like this. I like the little details that's in here. Yeah, this one shoulder thingamajig is just nice, and the vintage print is really nice, and I think it brings out my complexion like really, 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 really nice. This can go on. Yes. Next, don't mind my car. Okay, this dress, now it's really nice. It's a casual. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's, you know, it just say, yes, girl, yes. I'm really feeling this. You know, I need to find me somewhere to go so I can wear it. It's simple. I like the feel of the material. The material feel really good on your skin. And yeah, like you can't go wrong with this. You really can't go wrong at all. This one is called, I forgot what they call this one. This one is called the Ectic Print Slim Fit Hip Dress. Okay, the Ectic if I'm saying it correctly. Slim fit dress. So it is a slim fit, like it hugs you in the right places. Alrighty, so next. Well. This last one here, not gonna lie, it has me. It has me. This one is the Warrior. Okay? Swimsuit. This one is called the Warrior. I love the gold trimming. Like at the top, on the bottom. I love the goldness right here. You know, it's just blend in so nicely to my skin. Like, I love this one. This one, I ain't gonna lie, he has me. I don't even want to take it off, people. And the necklace, the earring, the bracelet, and the ring, these are all like a set. And I thought, like, you know, these two, they look damn good. I ain't gonna lie. This one, yes, girl, bring some African in you, okay? Yes, but yeah, I just can't stop. But yeah, this is very cute, and it's comfortable. I like the way how it just enhances my complexion, and how the side here of the gold just blend in nicely with these big ass hips here. But yeah, like this is really, I need a beach. I need some salt water up in my skin here. Like, hello? Somebody? Anybody? But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys another time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I will do my shout out. If you want a shout out from me, subscribe, watch my channel. And I will see you guys do some African dance. Yes. I don't know. I'm trying something, okay?